Wood grain is still popular in garage doors. Why? Today, we'll find out the reasons at RT Asia. Let's go! Featuring realistic log grain patterns, it perfectly replicates the warm texture of natural timber. Available in a wide range of wood tones, it effortlessly matches the facades of villas and self-built houses, upgrading the overall grade of residential premises. The substrate delivers superior rust and moisture resistance, capable of withstanding intense sunlight and rain exposure. Unlike solid wood, it will not warp from dampness, get eaten by pests, or develop cracks. It costs less than solid wood while balancing attractive appearance and outstanding durability, making it a cost-effective top pick for residential garage doors.